Today I want to give you a list of some fruits and some vegetables that you can either buy or home can to put in your pantry. And some of these can also be dehydrated. Before I get into that, I wanted to tell you about a collaboration that I've been doing this month with a couple of other channels that do cooking and canning and homesteading and some things like that. And then another one also. The collaboration that I'm doing this month is with Blackberry Rock Homestead. And then also with Hillbilly Chicken Ranch. And if you want to check out their channels, if you go to my posts on my page, you will see videos there from both of these places. Also, a man by the name of, his channel name is Prep Rebel Actual. And he has one of the most amazing, like a patio deck garden that I've ever seen. And he has, on his channel, you can go to his playlists and find all of those videos from when he started it or started redoing it until current, and it is just beautiful. All kinds of flowers and herbs. My eyes itching. But all kinds of flowers and herbs, but mainly vegetables. And you'll be amazed at what he's growing on his deck. And so to get into our list then, the fruits that I have listed are peaches, apples or applesauce, apricots, raisins, pears, plums, rhubarb, mango, mandarin oranges, cherries, pineapple, grapefruit, and also mixed fruits. And then to get into the vegetables, and this is probably definitely not a complete list. I'm sure some of you may have some other ones, even in the fruits or the vegetables, and you can list those for us if you think of something that I don't have listed. But you can either home can these or buy these canned in the grocery store. The first one that I have is potatoes, green beans, pinto beans, great northern beans, black beans, lentils, split peas, carrots, sweet potatoes, greens. Now, greens, that could be kale, turnip, collard, rape greens, spinach. There's all kinds of greens that you can can. And then tomatoes. And tomatoes, to me, is one of the most important things that you can have in cans. Because once you have tomatoes, then you can expand that to pasta sauces and chili and taco soup and vegetable soup and just all kinds of things that you can have, do with your tomatoes. And I keep whole tomatoes canned or quartered, and then tomato sauce and tomato juice, and I do just regular eating tomatoes, and I do Roma tomatoes or Amish paste tomatoes, so that I've got a good variety of tomatoes. And then cucumber in relish or pickles, and then cabbage. And with the cabbage, you can do pickled cabbage or sauerkraut. You can also add cabbage to some of your soups and stews. Corn, peas, mushrooms, lima beans or butter beans, although you can't home can and add butter. Beets, onions, asparagus, water chestnuts, garlic, hominy, artichoke hearts, green chilies, zucchini, bell peppers, pumpkin, and squash. So these are just a few of the fruits and vegetables that you could either buy canned in the grocery store, and I know that you can find all of these things in the grocery store because I checked it out. And so, you know, and you buy these based on how many people are in your family. And, you know, if you, like I said before, if you do a menu, you know, do your menus for a week or 2 weeks, probably be best to do at least 2 weeks of a menu so that you're not repeating the same thing over and over and over, because you don't, you know, if you had a very prolonged period where you had to eat out of your pantry, you wouldn't want to eat the same thing over and over and over for 3 months. And so make sure you've got a good variety in your pantry, not only so that you don't get tired of what you're eating, but also because you want to make sure that you've got some, good balanced nutrition from the various things that you have in your pantry. So anyways, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it very much if you would subscribe and hit that like button. Share the videos. If you're on other social media, share it with your friends and family. And then go and check out those other channels and see what they've got. I mean, both Blackberry Rock Homestead and Hillbilly Chicken Ranch are doing lots of canning and cooking. And like I said, Prep Rebels doing, he's doing some just talking videos, and then he's showing you his garden. And, I'm sure he'll do some other stuff too, or has done some other stuff too, probably some cooking too, with all that beautiful vegetable garden he's got. So be sure and check out those channels. And these are channels that are just small channels getting started. And so that's why we're doing the collaboration, is to, to try to help each other out. That's why I've shared some of their stuff on my page, on my channel, so that it helps them. And they've done the same thing for me. So anyways, I'm going to get off of here and go get some running done. And tomorrow I am meeting the truck for my local co-op. This is a food co-op. And I will be picking up apples and kiwi. And then tomorrow afternoon, I'm picking up strawberries. And I think I already told you that I just got the ingredients for taco soup. And then on Friday, I'm cooking for the nonprofit like I did before again. So the next few days are going to be exceptionally busy. And I will be doing some videos to show y'all what I'm doing. And so until the next time, God bless you.